Good morning. Forgot my hat. It's in the basement. We decided we're closing early today, and some Karen online got mad about it. Apparently, she thinks we're a store, and we got to be open till 5. I'm going to be open till 5. It's Sunday. So we decided we are going to open for 3 hours today. Everything's half price, and whatever doesn't sell is going to a thrift store. Sorry. We're tired today. This did not make Karen happy. She was very upset. She wanted us to shop for her too. She wanted prices on everything in the photos, and I'm like, you have to go to a garage sale and shop. You cannot shop online at a freaking garage sale, people. Take your lazy butts off the couch and get to the damn garage sale. Holy cow. This is why dealers can easily clean out a garage sale, because people are getting too lazy to even do that. They're going to shop on Facebook. Shut up. Just shut up and get here. Right. I'm telling them about Karen.
Say what?
I'm telling them about your Karen.
Oh, I'm deaf. Seriously deaf.
I'm telling them about your Karen on Facebook.
Oh, Karen. Did you say hearing or Karen?
Karen.
See, I told you I was deaf.
So, we had our first customer this morning.
If you want to call it that.
We had a lady drive into the driveway, and she parked in the driveway.
That's a no, don't do that.
Don't do that at garage
Watch
sales.
the garage sale thing that she said. That's previous.
Don't park in the driveway. And then she mumbled her way through the entire sale. We're not really sure who she was talking to. Maybe the voices in her head. She brought up one thing that she wanted, and then she started wildly gesturing, got in her car and drove away. Oh, but we just had a nice couple hunting widows showed up today, and they cleaned us out of movies and books, and that was awesome. So we don't have to pack those up. Yay. Everything's half price today, and they loved it. So they cleaned us out of a bunch of DVDs and a bunch of paperbacks and hardcovers, and yes, that's a good moment. I'm so glad to not have those in my house anymore. You too? You tired today?
I'm very tired.
She's been working hard, though. I've been hardly working.
This is true.
Just a hard worker.
I baby her when she's here. My baby sister.
She plied me with beer and pizza. That was good. The sale is over. I'm going home I gotta take a bunch of stuff to my nephew's. And a few things to the thrift store. And I got loaded up with food. I got food. Like a bunch of food. And then almost $300 in my pocket. $297. So that's awesome. It's extra almost $300 that I wouldn't have made this weekend. So I'm happy with it. I could put it in the bank and add it to the earnings for the week. So that'll be great. I got rid of a lot of large pieces that I didn't want to hold on to anymore. Sent a lot to the thrift store, so I'll be able to take a deduction for those pieces. And I'm going home. I'm excited to go home. And my nephew, he lives not far from me, so he'll get this table out of here and I'll have some room. But yeah, it was a good sale. I'm happy. Happy. And I'm happy my sister got her buffet. She's thrilled with it, so that's gonna go in her house, and it's a good day. At the end of the sale, a bunch of Facebook people, you're gonna close at noon, and they contact you at 1 o'clock, and they're like, can I still come? No, you can't. We've torn it all down. We had already packed it all up, and there was a woman who was being super rude to my sister. on Facebook overnight. They were at war. She showed up 5 minutes before we were going to close, but she bought a ton. So that was good to get rid of a lot of them were my large pieces. So goodbye, large pieces. I was glad to get rid of it. I lost some money on some pieces, made some money on other pieces, and broke even on some pieces. So, in all, it's a good day. I'm gonna get home. I get started with my week ahead. I get to take the kid to school tomorrow, and I will have a day to myself. And I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm like, oh, work in the garage, work on a project. I don't know. I have not. I got to get a blog post written, but I haven't even planned my week ahead. I was so caught up in this week with Picket and a garage sale and all the other stuff that was going on this week. First week back in school, it was a lot. It was a lot. So I hadn't really thought ahead to what I was going to do this week. And now it's like, okay, it's Sunday night. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to plan out my week, see if I can get a blog post written. I was featured on Home Talk again, so my website's been blowing up. That was really nice. That's nice. I got Google money for that too. And I've got an Etsy sale to pack up when I get home, so I'm going to do that. But right now, I'm just going to head home. All right. My house is literally the cutoff for the rain. So that door... my living room has rain. And that one has sunshine. I probably have a rainbow right over my house.